Hi there! You know what are slider images? They are the images that slide across the screen. This level will teach you how to use them. Use Google to search for your slider images. You should use the word free when searching for images. Also, you should not copy pictures from someone's website without written permission, unless the website states that the images are free. You can also pay for images. This level has 7 steps. Go to the steps. 1. Click New tab on your browser. 2. Saving your image when you find an image on the internet. If you are using a Chromebook, do this. Right mouse click on the image and click Save to Drive. Image will automatically save to Drive. If you are using a Windows, do this. Right mouse click on the image and click Save Image As. If you are using an Apple, do this. Double tap on the image and click Save Image As. 3. Click the tab where Kids Got Web is and click Page Manager on Toolbar. 4. Locate Home Page Slider Images and click Edit. 5. Click the plus. 6. Click Choose File and select your image. 7. Scroll up and click the green Update button. 8. Click on Home. You should see your slider image. If you don't see your image, hit the refresh button. To add more slider images, repeat these steps. Congratulations! You have completed level 3. You go!